In this video, we will be unboxing the 2020 MacBook Pro 13-inch edition. Let's get into it. This is exactly what you're gonna get when you open your MacBook Pro 13-inch. It comes in one of these boxes. It looks really nice. So let's start from right here and let's open it up. Boom. Here we go. Opens up nice and easy, as per what we'd expect. This thing is just beautiful. All right, here we go. So when you first open your Mac, you're gonna just pop up the top like this, as if you didn't already know that. I'm obviously having trouble with it, but it's fine. I'm sure you won't. God, this is crazy. Okay, finally got the top off. Here we go. And as soon as you get the top off, you're gonna be met with your nice new computer. All right, now just pull the tab, boom. This thing is really, really sleek. So you have your charging cable, as per usual. Now these are the ports that they're using now. And then when you open up this slot right here, you're gonna of course get your charging pod right here. Wonderful, and of course you're gonna get your guide right here about how to work everything. So now that should be it for the box. So here we go, here's the actual computer. Now it looks absolutely beautiful in the space gray color. Let's go ahead and pull this tab right here. Ooh, that is really nice. Love that. So let's go ahead and pull the tab out right here. And so here we go. Here is your brand new Mac computer if you're gonna get it. It's really lightweight. Let's go ahead and open this bad boy up for just a second. All right, let's remove this right here, this little screen protector here, and we're gonna see that it's already loading up as we open it. All right, wonderful. I don't want it to do that, but that's okay. Let's touch base with the keyboard a bit, so I'll bring it a little bit closer so you can actually check the keyboard, but it has this magic keyboard up here instead. I don't want this to open.
English as the main language.
Just to open.
English as the main language.
Okay.
Press the return key.
I don't want to do that, so shh, don't do that. But it looks like it's doing its thing. But before that, I love the touch, like the touchpad is a lot bigger on this. I'm really excited. So you can see here that the magic keyboard actually started to light up. So you can see that, I think they're magic buttons, magic keyboard. I love that it's actually touchable.
Mac OS contains a built-in screen reader called VoiceOver.
And there it is.
If you know how to use VoiceOver,
I do not.
Press the command key while you press Touch ID 3 times at the right end of the touch bar.
There you go.
To learn how to use VoiceOver to set up your Mac, press the escape key.
Wonderful. So you can do that if you want. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to leave it at this. I'm going to keep talking about this Mac and how wonderful it is. But honestly, this thing has enough storage. It has 256 gigabytes of storage now. So although I love this, if you look on the side here, here's those ports are no longer going to be working with the USB ports that something like this would use. But get yourself one of these at some point, but make sure that you either get like an adapter or something to connect to these ports, so then you'll be able to save all your data and back it up.
Will you buy the 2020 MacBook Pro 13-inch? Let me know in the comments below. You can find a link to this exact MacBook Pro in the description below.
If you like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe, and see ya.